buzzards. I know, Marco. I got here just soon enough. Dubai's like what, Dean? Well, from the United States, it's like a 14, 15-hour flight. Yeah, that's right, Matt, man. It's quite the big city.
KLM 661 Heavy, turn right, November.
Local November, KLM 661 Heavy.
Man, it just kind of floated on there, in there. Hashtag blessed.
Star Southwest 2237, establish our last A right.
Southwest 2237, Houston Tower, wind 120 at 13, we're going to A right for the line.
A right clear to land, Southwest 2237.
An early touchdown. I do. Singapore just around the corner on an A350. So check this out. In the first hour, we've had KLM, we've had Air France, we've had Lufthansa, and we've had British Airways. That's a great start to the show. So if you're just joining us, plenty more to go. Thanks so much for everybody liking and subscribing. In from Tokyo. Oh, and there is Prime Air 767. It's a Kira Cat.
Which ground do you want us to go to, Frontier 3196?
You can actually contact ramp a spot at November Delta.
All right, we can do that. November Delta, we'll go to ramp, Frontier 3196.
Wow, that's pretty wild, ERB. To picture taking, but hope to catch the next stream. Well, Robin, thank you so much for your generosity and kindness, and appreciate that. And we will catch you on the next stream. Thank you so much. Roger that, Aviation LAA. I'll do that as soon as this lands.
Sure, good afternoon. 1359, checking in, ILS, E-break.
Status 1359, Tower, A right, clear to land.
A right clear to land,
In Houston, I'll probably be streaming for a day tomorrow, and then we'll see about Aviation LA. I'm focused in on this beautiful A350.
At the approach end, turn left heading 360.
Yeah, approach end left at 360, yeah, 1478.
What's up, Infidel Fireman? Hello, hello. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Appreciate your support. If you're checking out the old 767.
Wind check.
Wind is 140 at 17.
The old 777-200 variant. Nice. Yeah, let's keep the good vibes coming. Dreamweaver, thank you.
At 1915, traffic heading to your left 2 miles, south-southwestbound at 2000. I'm not sure of the type.
Nice, Tom. Very nice. Yeah, they're doing a runway inspection. What's up, Bandit? There you go. We tracked one down. He's got about 5 minutes, I think ATC said. I do love Air New Zealand, and there it is, up close and personal. Butter landing right there. Butar. Oh, nice, Tom.